power of making decisions. You see, we have this great power of deciding to do what we will do, what we will say, and what we will think. What we will do, what we will say, and what we will think. You have the power of deciding. When will you decide? When do you have this power? All the time. We have this power all the time. At every moment of time, we can decide in the next moment. Come. Swami Vivekananda said this. He said, his famous quote which we often memorize and we quote him. He says, power will come, goodness will come, all that is good and great and excellent will come. Where the sleeping soul is roused to self-conscious activity. Self-conscious activity means the power sensation. I will not act out of instinct or habit. I will do something, say something, and think something because that's what I decide to do. Not because of habit. No, when Bhagavan Buddha, after getting his realization, when he was walking towards Sarnath, so it seems a shepherd boy saw him and asked him, "What are you?" Houston Smith, in his book, The Religions of the Word, he says that many people have been asked, "Who are you?" Many people have been asked this question. We have also been asked this question. But what are you? Aap kya hai? Very few people in history have been asked this question. Are you a god? Buddha said no. Are you an angel? Buddha said no. Are you a human being? Buddha said no. Then what are you? And he said, I am the awakened, I am the Buddha. What he means is, he is awake, he is awakened, we are in a dream. We are in a dream. And what is this dream? One aspect of this dream is instinctual living. जैसा मेरा हैबिट है, जैसा मेरा मन बह जा रहा है, उसी तरह से जी रहे हैं. That is a dream. Swami Vivekananda's famous Arise, Awakens, Stop Not Till the Goal is Reached. It is from Kathopanishad. Uttishtata Jagrata, it's a Mundan Upanishad. Kathopanishad. Uttishtata Jagrata Prapya Varan Nibodhata. There, if you look at the Bhashya given by Shankaracharya, Uttishtata Jagrata Prapya Varan Nibodhata, he says, arise from the sleep of Maya. Anadi Ajnana Avachinna. Anadi Ajnana. Beginningless Maya. We are sleeping in that dream. We are dreaming in that sleep of Maya. Awake from that, from the sleep of ignorance, and towards self-knowledge. And go to the teacher. Varan means the great teachers, and you get knowledge from them. So, self-conscious living, self-conscious activity. But you would say that decisions to bahut lete hain, but I cannot stick to my decision. That's the problem. Many are shaking their heads. You know why they cannot stick to a decision? Actually, what happens is, when I decide, for example, from now on, I'm going to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Next day, I don't get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I say, okay, see, I decided to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, but I could not. But what has happened is this. When I got up at 4 o'clock in the morning, I used the power of decision. Alarm baj rahi hai, abhi uthenge hum. I took the decision. Next day, I did not get up because I did not use the power of decision. I just went by my habits. So, decisions is, we make the mistake of taking decision once in a while. Resolution banaya. But we have this power, just like the power of concentration, we have this power all the time. And we are actually taking decisions or not taking decisions all the time. So, aaj fail kar gaya. The only thing you have to do is take a decision again immediately. When will you take this decision? Minute to minute. Every minute you have the power. Every minute you do not take a decision, you have wasted that power for that minute. What will you decide? Most important, what will I think? Positive thoughts, negative thoughts. I can do it, I cannot do it. It would say nahi hoga. Both kinds of thoughts will come. And they come to even great people. The difference between an ordinary person and a great person is the great person chooses the positive thought. Makes a conscious decision to entertain only the positive thought, not to entertain the negative thought. What will I say? Say positive things about yourself and about others. It's a decision. You can say negative things also. आप दूसरों की निंदा भी कर सकते हैं, चुगली भी कर सकते हैं. We can do that. We normally do these things by habit. तुमने क्यों गाली दी उसको? वो मुझे चिढ़ा रहा था. He was behaving badly with me. See, because he was behaving badly with me, I said something bad to him. We think this is reasonable. No, in between something else has happened. We had the opportunity to decide what to say. We did not use that opportunity. जो अंदर से आया वो बोल दी. But in between, वो जो किया है, Madhusudan Saraswati says in Gudata Deepika, para aparadha, aparadha from somebody else, and my reaction, in between there is a gap. That gap, if you don't do anything, that gap will go away. That chance is gone. It's a chance to decide, how will I react? If I don't use the power of decision, what will happen? Computer के जैसे default setting है, अपने आप booting होता रहता है. So whatever has been programmed into it, that will come out. तो जैसे मेरा general programming है, it will come out. वो कुछ किया and I get angry and I react with, मैं भी गाली दे दिया. That's default setting. But you can change it. There is a gap. 600 साल पहले मधुसूदन सरस्वती was a great Advaitin. He says, para aparadha kshanti, forgiveness. He says, when para aparadha, somebody makes an aparadha, para means कोई दूसरा अपराध कर रहा है हम पर, हम वहाँ पर I have the option of deciding how to respond to that. चित्त विकार प्राप्त हेतु प्राप्तो अपि, मन का जो मन में विकार मतलब गुस्सा आया, सैडनेस आया, मिजरी आया, इसका कारण है. There is a cause. That people are behaving badly with me. So there is a cause. Even when the cause is there, even then I can take a decision not to react in a negative way. I can take a decision to behave kindly. I can take a decision not to get upset in my mind also. So power of decision. We can decide what to say. And we can decide, and we must decide what to do. And a great thing to understand about what to do is what not to do. We can cut out many things in our lives. We can simplify our lives greatly. We waste a lot of time. I see in a train station, airport, you see people are all sitting in line like this, waiting for the flight or something. Aas-paas mein khade, nobody looking at nobody, doing like this. In the Gita seminar in London this time, I was speaking from Upanishad, I was quoting Katha Upanishad. Paranji Khani Vetrinat Swayam Buddha. Our sense organs are moving outwards. That's why we cannot realize what is inside. ऐसा बनाया हुआ है हमारा. All our attention goes to the world outside. अंतरात्मा की ओर ध्यान नहीं जाता है. So we do not look inside, we look outside. After my talk, there was another lady, a very erudite lady. Suryakanti Tripathi, she is a retired IFS officer, and she was our ambassador to Spain and the Director General of ICCR. Her speech was there next. And she said, Swamiji has said we look outward, we don't look inward. But these days we don't even look outwards. We look at our screens only. So there is so much of that activity which is neither important nor urgent, which is time wasted. So what to do when you make a decision what to do, make a decision what not to do. We'll find so many things what not to do. Not only daily life, overall in life. Has Vinayak Lohani ever come here for the forum? No. So you might come. He's a very interesting boy. He's from IIT Kharagpur and then he's from IIM Calcutta. From IIM Calcutta. And instead of going in for a corporate career, like all his batchmates, what he decided to do was take care of orphan children. Parivar, if you Google him, you'll find Parivar Samsthan. Now we started with 3 children from the street he picked up. Now he has more than 1,000. And a very big organization. A few years ago, he got the President's Award for Child Welfare and so on. Anyway, the point is, one day in talking to a group like this, somebody asked him a question. One young person asked him a question. How did you decide to do this? Your goal in life, it's a great thing you're doing. How did you decide to do this? You know what he said? He is a very thoughtful young person. He said, देखो, I did not decide to do this. मैंने बैठ के सोचा कि what should I do with my life? और कोई आंसर नहीं मिला. देखो, हम लोगों का भी वही होता है. इसलिए what is the goal of your life? ऐसे अचानक कोई पूछे तो हम scratch our head and think, goal वैसे तो कुछ नहीं है. We'll say, Now you see the intelligence of that person. What did he do? उनको भी लगा कि ऐसे तो खास कुछ क्या करेंगे ऐसे पता नहीं चल रहा है. Then he decided, let me think, क्या नहीं करके. He made a list. अच्छा ऐसे जो मल्टीनेशनल कॉर्पोरेट करियर तुमको अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है? नो. तो ये जो प्रोफेसर इधर है मैनेजमेंट के रिसर्चर स्कॉलर्स वो बनोगे? नो. टीचर बनोगे? नो. ऐसे करके करके तो अंदर से क्या अच्छा नहीं लगता. करते 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 सडनली इट केम आउट फ्रॉम विद इन, ये करेगा. व्हेन यू क्लियरली कट आउट ये नहीं करना है आपको. इट डजंट कम फ्रॉम विद इन. अंदर से देयर इज नो इंस्पिरेशन फॉर डू दिस. When you keep on thinking that way, then something will come out from within that this is what I would like to do. Now, it may change later in future. Now I would like to do this. And he said, I want to do something for others. Another person asked him a question. Just see how he thinks. Another person asked him a question. How did you get this idea of taking care of young children? And then he said, I did not start with an idea. I started with a feeling. See, great work starts with feeling. Swami Vivekananda says, head, heart and hand, but most important heart. He says, if you can feel like a Buddha, you will be a Buddha. If you can feel like a Christ, you will be a Christ. Feeling first, not the idea. Idea comes later on. I felt deeply for the suffering of little children. Then I thought, what can I give? Then one idea came. Then he executed it. So starts with a feeling, not starts with an idea. Normally management teaching will teach you that you take a great idea and then work it out. It's an intellectual approach. This is an approach from the heart.